Top of the morning to you. Hello and welcome back to my closet. I am Amy and we're going to come up with some fun St. Patrick's Day outfit ideas today. Well, fiddle-dee-dee and frosted Lucky Charms. Good morning and welcome. I am not Irish, as you can tell. Today we are going to shop my closet for St. Patrick's Day outfits. Let's go. Alrighty then. I went on the ye old Pinterest and just typed in St. Patrick's Day outfits and just got the top site that came up, which is 27 simple St. Patrick's Day outfit ideas. Ha! So, I went through and picked out a few that looked good that I might possibly have something similar in my closet. We're going to go by inspiration of these rather than exact. We're not copying exactly. We're just going with the idea. So we're going to turn around, closet's on that side, and we're gonna find some outfits for St. Paddy's Day. To have a Guinness, and a Jameson, and a Bailey's. Prefer Bailey's myself. Alright, I'm gonna stop doing that. Alright. Here we are. I didn't pull all the green things like I did for my Valentine's Day one, but I do have some I have very little green. I love green, and I started to get more things that were greenish. It's mostly olive green, but whatever. We're going to go by the inspiration of the pictures. So, the first one we have is this little pants and blouse situation. Can't tell if that top is floral or what the deal is, but I have green pants, kind of that color, and so we're gonna find what we can come up with that looks like this. Oh, okay, it might not be floral, but we're gonna go with the inspiration. So, I know it's not exactly, but there's no pockets in these pants. Why? Alright, this is my little leprechaun outfit. I'm a little leprechaun. Okay, so I went with just, I had plaid shirt. I actually bought this. I thrifted it last year for a collab video for St. Patrick's Day. So, I have this one, and I have these kind of strap, what are these called? Suspenders? High-waisted pants that I actually got from Shein. I know. It was my one and only Shein misery. Anyway, this is kind of similar. We're going to go with this. Yeah. If you notice, I never show shoes in outfits that I do because I live in a place where it is snowing most of the time. When I say most of the time, from November to April. So this time of year, if I was wearing this outfit, it would be my boots that I'd be wearing, so there's no point in doing shoes. Anyway, moving on. This is it's cute. I like this one. Alright, so the next one, what will we do? Oh, this is cute. Okay. We're going to go inspired by here because I'm going to do pants, not a skirt, but we're going to be close. Similar. And I don't think that's two different color greens in her sweater. I think it's the sun. And the rest is in the shade. Anyway, whatever. Doesn't matter. We're going to do our best with this one. I love how I say, we, you're helping me come up with these outfits. We will do our best. I'm going to do it by myself. Okay. Oh, thank God, pockets. All right. So, here we go. We have the same kind of look. You can even do one better. Hang on. Don't go anywhere. I'm right here. Don't go. Don't go. I'm here. I'm here. Okay, here we go. Now, check that shit out. This is really too short for me. It looks like I'm wearing a Lulu bag. All right. Let's see. This is not quite, but you know. There we go. This is actually super comfortable, and I would totally rock this on St. Patrick's Day. St. Patrick's Day is a Sunday this year, so that means nothing because I'm not going anywhere anyway. Yeah, I like this. This is comfortable. It's not a skirt. It is pants, as you can see. This was thrifted for I think it was a look for less, a thrifted look for less. I can't remember what the name of it, but it was like a group that I was in for a while. This came from Winners. These came from Ricky's, and my mom tailored them because they were too short. She took them down. Yeah. Let's go for our green cocktails because I don't like beer. Okay, next. Next. Come here. What are you doing? Phone. There we go. All right, so we have a patterned skirt and a green shirt. That is not gonna be easy. Why did I pick that one? I don't even. All right, we're gonna finagle something. I don't have anything with flowers on it. Well, that's gonna be interesting. Okay, we're gonna do something. See, again, we're gonna do it together. Yep. Okay. So, I do not. This is the only floral thing I have, and it's navy blue. I actually don't mind this. You know what I might do is that green belt I picked up when I was thrifting. I feel like this needs a belt. I might put that on as well to cover up the kind of elasticy waist bit. I mean, I never thought this would work, but I do really like it. I mean, yeah. I'd have to wear this with boots and probably leggings or tights, but, you know, this is a real outfit. I would wear this not on St. Patrick's Day, like a real, because it's not, you know. This is a nice spring summer outfit, if that ever happens here. Cool. All right, what else we got? What else do we got? All right, green pants, white shirt. Pretty easy. Do I have see, I used to have a shirt just like that I used to use for cosplay stuff. Do I still have it? Did I get rid of it? I think I got rid of it. I don't think. It's not oatmeal. That's Scottish and it's bad. Don't listen to me. Here we go. Here we go. All right. I'm all over United Kingdom right now. Okay, I'm going to change and we'll have another outfit. Fiddle-dee-dee and shamrocks and shit. Okay, so yes, I have a black sports bra underneath. Sue me. I need a belt with these, but oh, here we go. Got a belt. I am probably 3 times as wide as that woman in the picture, but I think I've captured the look. I do not have a light colored bag, you know? Out of all the bags I own, I do not have a light, like it looks like it's cream or white in the picture. I mean, who cares? This is what I've come up with. I like this. I like this a lot. Obviously with a different bra, but we won't worry about that. Yeah, she's got like these nudes. I had a shirt almost identical to that. But anyway, there we go. We have, these are thrifted from Pasadena. I don't know, it was last year, the year before. They are so comfy. They've got the paper bag waist. I like it. This was thrifted in St. John's, I think from Salvation Army in St. John's a couple years ago. It's Calvin Klein. These, I think, are Old Navy. Anyway, I think this one's kind of cute too. See, I never would have thought. I forget about these pants all the time. They're so comfortable. I think I'll wear these today when I have to go to the office later. Okay. We have, how many we have left? All right, let's do one more. All right, so we have this olive green dress. I have 2 olive green dresses. None of them are this style, but we're just gonna go with it. We're gonna go with it. Yeah. Now this dress really needs an iron. I thrifted this at Value Village last summer, and the summer before I actually had bought one very similar when I was in England, only it had ruffles on it. But I really like this one. It's like midi, like it comes down past my knees. So let's see what she has on for the accessories. All right, brown bag. What kind of belt is that? Oh, that's a leopard print belt. Do not have a print belt of any kind, so brown belt's gonna have to do. But we can do something. Okay, so let's go kind of safari on this one. You know, let's do a little, we've got the green, we've got some aviators, which are crooked, but who cares? I'm gonna put that belt back on that kind of has the green and brown, which means I have to do something with this tie. All right, so we've got this, and we'll go like, ooh, maybe that. We can do this kind of a thing. So this is it needs a long strap on it, obviously. But I found this at a yard sale, and I love it. It's kind of like a doctor's bag. And it's all real leather, but it definitely needs a strap. It's not a doctor's bag, it's like a school bag. Anyway, I think this turned out pretty cute, actually. I really need to clean these. So yeah, I think there's some cute options there. Not your typical screaming Kelly green kind of look if you want to be subtle about it. If you don't want to be subtle about it, I don't care. Like, enjoy. There's so much to not be subtle about on St. Patrick's Day. Just give her. Fill your boots, as it says. Or as we says. So anyway, this is it for this video. Don't forget, I do have memberships going. So the members actually can see this video first before it goes up. They also had an exclusive video just for them. We're going to do like lives. And so if you want to become a member, information is below. You can sign up, be a member, and be part of our wonderful fictional adulting community where we're all just pretending we're not losing our shit. So thank you so much for spending some time with me. If you are going out for St. Patrick's Day, let me know what you're doing. Like, I haven't been out for St. Patrick's Day in at least 15 years. Like, do people still do that? I don't know. If you've got any inspiration, do let me know. I would love to know if this inspired you to get out your greens. And that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed and you're having a great day. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that like button. Give me an old comment if you want. Anything really helps push my videos. The algorithm is kind of confused at what it wants these days. So my views are kind of all over the place and weird. So yeah, help me along by pressing those little buttons. It doesn't cost you a thing to press the like button. I think it's a thumbs up. Yeah, sorry about my weird thumb. Okay. Thanks for watching. I hope you're having a great day. We'll see you in the next one. Bye. So, welcome if you're new. And if you're new, I'm sorry. A spring version soon. Blah, blah, blah. What is wrong with my mouth? That's what she said. No. And I hope the luck of the Irish is going to be with you. May the luck of the Irish follow you, not the leprechauns. What is wrong with me? Okay. Fiddle-dee-dee and a bottle of rum. Did I drink rum? I'm a pirate. cards could be Irish. I don't know. Alright, bye. Shut her down. She's done.